Look at that, eh? They're blowing everywhere. Look at that. Oh, the snow is blowing everywhere.
Well, it's a good thing we're taking the cab, eh?
Yep, cab ever gets here.
Cab never gets here, eh?
Mm-hmm.
Otherwise, we would have to stay home and eat breakfast upstairs, eh?
Yeah.
Otherwise, we might have to. You never know.
No.
Okay, I'm going out there. Fuck that.
Why?
Cause. Okay, I'll be right back. I'm gonna check to see if a cab is coming. Ah, it's cold. Oh. God, it's really windy. Ah, it's really windy out. Alright, there's my car. Whoa. Oh, it's cold. Oh, it's really cold. Whoa! The wind just almost blew off my hat. Jesus. Okay. Whoa. Okay. I'm gonna slide. I'm gonna be sliding everywhere.
There you go, Ashley.
Okay.
Why, where's your keys?
Oh.
Why, Ashley, where's your keys?
No, it's just that it's so cold out there. Oh my god.
I was going to say, why, where's your keys, Ashley?
No, it's really cold out. That's the thing.
Oh, okay. That's keys.
Don't worry, I have them. It's just that it's really cold out there.
So you couldn't use the keys?
No. See, look how badly the wind is blowing the snow. It's like everywhere.
Everywhere.
Yeah. Oh, man, the wind actually, believe it or not, the wind with the snow just blew off my head almost. Almost off of my head, because how windy it really is.
Oh, that is terrible.